So several of you have talked about struggling a little bit with finding intervals or um, figuring out how to use technology. And so I want to do a quick little thing here with Excel to show you um, just how fast it is, and maybe you can use it to work backwards. Um, so I have this. These are the ages that you're using for your central limit theorem lab, and so you can always type in your list of numbers. Then if you just highlight all of the numbers, there's a lot of them in this one. So, and then go to insert, you'll see all these different options. And this does the same on Google Sheets or um, Apple has similar things too. But you want to insert a chart, and then they're going to pick different charts for you. And so it just automatically makes a histogram. Now, the only thing about it is it picks the best number of categories, um, and so it makes it not very nice. So you can just double click on that axis, and then you have things you can do to change. So I can change the bin width if I want to make it go by 9. I can make it go by 9. I can change the number of bins. Um, just different things you can edit, and you don't need to make these perfect because at this point, if you're just submitting something, so there we go, 0 to 9, 9 to 18. It doesn't do the axis exactly like I like to see it. So there may be a way to modify that. If you notice, there's all these different options over here you can click on. But pretty much now we have our chart, and it's pretty good, 0 to 9. And then you could just go right from here and use your snipping tool, or go to File, Print, and do Microsoft Print to PDF, and then you could save whatever that graph is in a PDF. But I think snipping tool is a little bit easier, so that may be something you can do to help yourself out, go a little bit faster. You can work backwards from this then to your tally table. When you highlight over the top, you say there's 41 values in the 0 to 9 category, and then from 9 to 18 there's 44, and so forth. You might have to play around a little bit if you don't remember your high school math. So this parenthesis means not including 9, including 18. Not including 18, including 27. The bracket is included, but you can figure out by your list of numbers where that goes. The other thing that Excel can do just to make the whole graph making process easier is if you highlight everything, you can go to data and sort your data, and you can sort it by smallest to largest, and then that makes it really easy to put into categories if you're going to make your own stuff by hand. Any of this stuff you can find by searching on YouTube. There's tons of Excel videos on YouTube, but I'll try to make some as we go to help you guys out as well.